Hi everybody, Monsieur Balisong here again. This is going to be a bit of an informative video, a teaching video where I'm going to teach you the differences between different types of the internal workings of balisongs. Today's video, it's going to be about the friction systems in these balisongs. I think that's the correct terminology. If it's not, yeah. I thought I would just describe it and show you the butterfly knife and describe how it worked, but I decided to go through the trouble, take off one handle of each balisong that has a different friction system that I own. A little bit more work for me, but I know being a visual learner, it's more helpful to see the inner workings of these things rather than just have them described to you. So I'm gonna go from the oldest system, and then I'm gonna work my way to the newer things, describe how they work. I want to describe my opinion of them too, because I definitely have an opinion. So we're gonna start off with the coveted Benchmade 42. Now, what kind of system is in this thing? Yep. This is a washer only system. This is considered a washer. You're going to want to become accustomed with this. You're going to know exactly what this is by the end of the video. Basically, it's a piece of soft metal that you lubricate up, and it provides some friction barrier from the handle rubbing on the blade itself. And all that, the very older balisongs and older knives use this. They just put two washers on there, one on each side, and you lube it up, and it sort of makes a barrier, makes the tolerances better because there's a chunk of metal holding that in there, and it makes sure that you don't just wear away the blade or the inside of the handle. Now, the original washer system was in play for a long time. It's pretty nice, but just washers does lead to the most play, because you're only depending on one single or two single pieces that are acting as little spacers basically in there to keep the knife from having play. But you'll see as we go forward, they came up with much better ideas to deal with friction and play. So my opinion, it's classic. It's the original way that balisongs work. It gets the job done, but it isn't amazing. Not my favorite friction system. So that's washers. What's next is bushings. Bushings are nice. So we'll just slide this off, and you'll notice this also has washers in there, right? So washers can actually play a part in other systems too, because they do get a job done. They help get away from play, and they help the friction against the blade from lowering. But the bushing system is this in here. You can see this rise up a little bit. So what happens is this pivot cup right there slides right through this with very little play. Basically what a bushing does is eliminate play even more and make the knife even smoother than just a plain washer system. Because when you thread the pivot cup through this, it'll make sure that there's no play like up and down, like if you push this forward and backward like this, right? No play. And then also the washers are going to go from the side to side play up and down. So this bushing system is basically just an evolution of the washer system. You can think of bushings as another washer but inside the blade. I love this system. It's very predictable. It's not super incredibly fast like we'll see as we go on, but this is one of my favorite systems. You just need to oil it up and make sure that your washers are the right size. I've heard that BRS and other companies have used incorrectly sized washers. That can lead to a really bad knife. So if you are using a bushing system, make sure that they are the correct size bushings. Next, We're getting into the future of balisongs here. We're gonna go start off with the Kershaw Lucha. Yes, I pronounced it Lucha for once. Now these are weird. These look like washers, right? But they're set in. So you can see that these are bearings, ball bearings actually. These are the ceramic ones made by Flytanium, but they use steel ball bearings for the basic Lucha. And what these are essentially washers that have their own recess right in there. And then those ball bearings take away virtually all friction. Because the whole point of these systems I'm talking about is to eliminate friction. Because friction is going to wear down metal and it's going to cause play. But bearings, you can't get much better than a bearing. And this is such an interesting way to implement it, is to turn the bearing into a washer system. We'll drop these out real quick. Because now as a result, you breathe on this thing and it moves like crazy. Now, I love the Flytanium Luca, but I don't know if it's just because I'm old school and I've used old school hardware, but this new hardware with the bearings as washers, it's a little too fast. Like, you just breathe on it, this thing is flying all around your house, which is amazing. I think I just have to get used to it. I wouldn't say this is my favorite type of system just because it's so fast and I'm not used to it yet, but I will say this is like the future. This is the best I have ever seen, and once I get used to it, this will probably be my favorite. So that's bearings used as washers. Very interesting system. Now the Heron, the Spasm Fingers Heron, when I first heard of bearings in a knife, this is what I imagined. Now I'll take this handle off, 1 second. You'll see we have basic washers like usual, but we pull this off and there's a weird little system in there. Not sure if you know what that is yet. It'll make more sense when I take the other side off. And yep, there it is. More bearings, right? I'm not going to take them out, but the way that these bearings work are more like a skateboard wheel, where you've got all the bearings just basically pressed in as if they were a bushing. So the Lucha uses bearings as a washer. The Heron uses bearings like a bushing. This leads to a very smoothly flipping knife. It's very nice. This is an incredibly smooth. This is a great. The bushing bearing is very nice. This is the first time and only time I've ever played with bushing bearings. I think they do show promise, so I'd like to see them in some more bigger production balisongs, see how they deal with them, or see the future iterations of the Heron. This is a very interesting friction system. It's very smooth, but it doesn't seem quite as fast as this one. I don't know if that's because the fly tie ceramics are just insanely fast, or if maybe the system just isn't as smooth as this one. But yeah, that's that. So those are the 4 different examples of friction systems that I can show you with my own personal butterfly knives. You've got the washers, which just uses a thin piece of metal to give the knife some space and have a contact point between the knife and the handle. You have the bushing, which the knife slips through the bushing, and then that sort of gives you a rotational friction protection. I like this system the most. Fun fact. Now this, the washer bearing, this has a lot of promise. This is a great system that I think could be my favorite once I get more used to it. It's just so damn fast, it's a little unpredictable. And then this is the bushing bearing system, which is a pretty nice system. It shows promise, but I'd love to see some more of it. If you guys are interested, if you have any questions about butterfly knives, like more scientific or breaking them open and discussing like how they work in the internals, leave any suggestions. I'd love to explain and talk about that kind of stuff. and I will see you guys later.